Remove the outer skin of the onion and cut into quarters. Cut the carrots in half. Clean the celery, remove 1 inch from both ends and cut the celery into 3 pieces. Divide the carrot, onion and celery over the bottom of the roasting pan. Place the shank in the roasting pan and divide the beef cubes over the bottom. Place in an oven at 285 degrees Fahrenheit. After 20 minutes, turn the vegetables and meat and repeat this for a total of 5 times. Place the roast meat, the shank and the vegetables in a stock pot. Pour the red wine into the roasting pan and heat that for 5 minutes on low heat or in the oven. Scrape off the baking pieces with a wooden spatula. Pour the wine with all the seasonings over the vegetables. Put 6 cups of water in the pan and add the bay leaves and herbs to the stock. Bring the stock to a boil and reduce the heat. Simmer for 3 hours. Place a sieve over a large bowl or pan and pour in the stock. Remove the strainer and your stock is ready.